एवरीवन, मैं हूं सरोजिनी दास। आप सभी को सरस्वती ट्यूटोरियल में स्वागतम। चलो आज पढ़ते हैं लिव लर्न वेल सोशल साइंस स्टैंडर्ड 6 के ज्योग्राफी सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले मैं बोल देना चाहती हूँ, अगर कोई भी मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए तो पहले सब्सक्राइब कर लो। साइड पे जो बेल आइकन है उस पर प्रेस कर लो ताकि जो भी मैं वीडियो पोस्ट करूँ आपको पहला नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए। ये है आपका ज्योग्राफी का फर्स्ट चैप्टर, द सोलर सिस्टम एंड द अर्थ। चलो इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर की तरफ चलते हैं। लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। स्टैंडर्ड 6 से ज्योग्राफी, ओके। तो ये रहा मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। A group of stars that forms a certain imaginary shape is called a or an constellation. The galaxy closest to our own is Andromeda. Which of the following is not true for mass? Closest planet to the sun. The planet having rings around them are Saturn and Jupiter. Fill in the blanks with correct items. Dash is the name of our galaxy, Milky Way. The Earth is called a blue planet. The planets move around the sun on an dash path, elliptical path. Asteroids are found between dash and dash in a belt, Mars and Jupiter in a belt. Saptarshi or dash Dipper is a part of the Ursa Major, Big Dipper. Then आ जाओ वेरी शॉर्ट टाइप क्वेश्चंस। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका है व्हाट इज नोन एज सप्तऋषि। तो यहाँ पर देखो क्वेश्चन में लिख दी हूँ ऑलरेडी। वेरी शॉर्ट टाइप आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस। व्हाट इज नोन एज सप्तऋषि? Group of 7 stars is known as Saptarushi. Which dwarf planet was previously the 9th planet of the solar system? Pluto is called a dwarf planet. Which is the largest planet? Jupiter is the largest planet. Short answer type questions D नंबर का। उसके 1 नंबर में क्वेश्चन है एक्सप्लेन टू फीचर ऑफ द यूनिवर्स। तो ये आपका दी गई है शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप, तो शॉर्ट ही आंसर में लिखना है। तो 2 features of universe, that is universe, one is universe is the big home for all celestial bodies, and second one is the universe was once a huge ball of hot gases. Then 2 number question, what is solar system? Name the components of our solar system. The definition of solar system है the solar system is the family of the sun. Word solar is derived from the Latin word solaris, meaning pertaining to the sun. The components of our solar system, ये वाला सेकंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर है। The components of our solar systems are the sun, 8 planets, asteroids, moons, meteoroids and comets. ठीक है। Why is the Earth called a unique planet? Explain 3 points. Earth is a unique planet because first one is it is only planet that has oxygen. Second one is 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. Third one is the earth is neither too hot nor too cold. Then E का है long answer type questions. Differentiates between inner and outer planets. Then B में asteroids and meteoroids. C में planets and stars. तो first of all inner planets and outer planets. The planets inside the asteroid belt is called as inner planets, like Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The planets outside the asteroids belt is called as the outer planets, like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Asteroids and meteoroids. Asteroids are debris of irregular shaped rock fragments of the solar system located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Meteoroids, these are small pieces of rocks which move around the sun and are found in the space between 2 planets. Then planets or stars. Planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around a star and do not have their own light. Stars, they are huge masses of burning gases that give off their own heat and light. Next question. What do you mean by made satellites? What are they important for the human progress? Man-made satellite. Man-made or artificial satellites are electronic devices launched from the earth to draw information regarding the celestial bodies. And other point is they are important for human progress because these satellites helps in communication purposes, taking pictures of stars and galaxies in space. Explain the galaxy. Describe important features of the Milky Way galaxy. Galaxy, what is galaxy? A system of billions of stars along with their planets, satellites, etc. in the outer space is called a galaxy. Important features of Milky Way galaxy is also known as the home galaxy. The galaxy closest to our own is the great spiral galaxy of Andromeda. तो यहाँ पर आपके क्वेश्चन आंसर खत्म होती है. अगर कुछ भी डाउट हो तो कमेंट्स करके ज़रूर बताना. मैं रखती हूँ आपकी सरोजिनी दास. बाय बाय. हैव ए गुड डे. हैव ए गुड नाइट.